During the time of the Second World War, Germany created a terrifying and enormous weapon that is still considered one of the greatest engineering achievements in military history. Its name was Schwerer Gustav, a massive railway gun whose size, power, and complexity continue to amaze people even today. This cannon was so huge that it required 5 separate trains just to transport it from one place to another. Not only that, nearly 4,000 people were needed to operate it. Setting up the entire system took around 6 weeks. Its massive parts were transported separately and then reassembled at the designated location. The whole area would turn into something like a small city. Workers assembling components, preparing shells, and laying down railway tracks. The weapon was built by the famous German company Krupp. Its main purpose was to create a gun powerful enough to destroy the strongest concrete bunkers and underground defense systems from a long distance. At that time, structures like the French Maginot Line and Soviet fortifications were so strong that breaking them with conventional weapons was nearly impossible. This massive cannon was designed to achieve exactly that. The size of Schwerer Gustav was truly unbelievable. Its barrel alone was about 32 meters long, and the total weight of the gun was around 1,350 tons. It was so heavy that it could not be placed on normal ground. Instead, 4 parallel railway tracks had to be specially built to support it. Additionally, large cranes ran on 2 extra tracks to assemble and position its components.
Its ammunition was just as extraordinary. A single high-explosive shell was about 8 meters long and weighed between 7 to 8 tons. These shells could be fired up to a distance of about 40 kilometers. When one of these shells hit the ground, it created a massive crater and destroyed everything nearby. The explosion was so powerful that the sound could be heard from miles away, and nearby buildings would shake violently. This massive cannon was used during the siege of Sevastopol, where it was deployed to break through the Soviet Union's heavily fortified defenses. In one instance, a shell struck an underground ammunition depot, causing a massive explosion that destroyed the entire area. That moment revealed the true destructive power of this weapon. However, despite its immense strength, the cannon had several major limitations. The process of firing it was extremely slow and complicated. Each shot required careful preparation, cleaning the barrel, loading the enormous shell, and adding propellant. As a result, it could take 30 to 45 minutes between each shot, which was far too slow for the fast pace of warfare. Another major problem was its size. It was nearly impossible to hide such a gigantic weapon, making it an easy target for enemy forces. Additionally, every time it fired, the railway tracks beneath it would be damaged due to the immense force,